Hello friends, I am Chetan Singadia from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. You are watching the video lecture series for the subject of Cloud Infrastructure and Services. Today we are going to see DynamoDB. DynamoDB is one of the database service of AWS. So let us understand what is DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service that allows to create a database tables that can store and retrieve any amount of data. It is automatically manages the data traffic of tables over multiple servers and maintains the performance of it. It also relieves the customers from the burdens of operating system and scaling a distributed database. Hence, the hardware provisioning, setup configuration, replication, and software patching, also cluster scaling, etc. is managed by Amazon. So this is one of the important point regarding DynamoDB. The another aspect of DynamoDB is all data items are stored on a solid state drives, that is SSDs, and are replicated across 3 availability zones for high availability and durability. DynamoDB tables do not have fixed schemas, and each item may have a different number of attributes. DynamoDB has no upfront cost and implements as pay-as-you-go plan. With DynamoDB, you can create database tables that can store and retrieve any amount of data and serve any level of request traffic from the internet. You can also scale up or scale down of your tables throughput capacity without downtime or performance degradation, and the AWS Management Console to monitor resource utilization and performance metrics. DynamoDB also allows you to delete expired items from the tables automatically to help you to reduce the storage usage, and the cost of storing data is no longer relevant. So friends, these are the basic introduction about the DynamoDB service of AWS. Now let us understand how to run DynamoDB on computer. So for that we have to follow the following steps. In step 1, following are the steps to set up a DynamoDB. Means first of all we have to download DynamoDB using following links. It also supports multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux, Macs, and etc. You can download your DynamoDB from these links. Once you download it is completed, extract the contents and copy extracted directory to your location wherever you want. Now there is access to the built-in JavaScript shell. In step 2, you have to create a table using following steps in DynamoDB on your computer. Open AWS Management Console and select DynamoDB. Then select the region where the table will be created and click the Create Table button. Then Create Table window will be opened and fill the details into the respective fields and click the Continue button. Here you can see that Amazon DynamoDB page will be opened, and here you have to click on that Create Table button. After that you can create your table on a Amazon DynamoDB service. Finally, a review page will be opened where we can view the details and click the Create button. Here you can see there is a summary, or you can say there is a review page will be opened. Here you can see the details whatever you have provided while creating a table in a DynamoDB. So after that you have to click on that Create button, and then your table will be created. Now you can see that the table is visible. The table is visible into the list, and Dynamo table is ready to use. Here you can see that tables are there, and you can easy to use your tables, Dynamo tables for that particular service. So friends, this is how you can run your DynamoDB service on a computer. Now let us understand the advantages of DynamoDB. The first advantage is it is flexible, means it supports both document and key value data structure in AWS. It is fully managed, means it is fully managed cloud NoSQL database services. It is high scalable also. That means when you create a table, it simply specifies how much request capacity that you require. Also, it is event driven programming, means it integrates with AWS Lambda to provide the triggers. Friends, we have already seen AWS Lambda in our previous video lectures. I suggest you to please go through it and understand what is AWS Lambda. So friends, this is what AWS DynamoDB, that is nothing but one of the database service of AWS. I hope you will also understand that how to connect your DynamoDB to your computer and what are the features that are available to DynamoDB service. Thank you.